Zoya, Chief Marketing Officer at codeautomation.ai.
Today we're diving into SEMrush, a powerful tool for optimizing your website's SEO and driving traffic. In this video, we'll explore some key features like keyword research and traffic analytics. So, let's start. First, let's head to the SEMrush website. I'm already logged in, and here's the dashboard, which offers nearly 20 tools with various features. Let's kick things off with keyword research. Go to the keyword magic tool and enter your main keyword. Hit enter and you'll see a list of related keywords along with their search volumes. Pay attention to the search volume, it should be high for better visibility. Now look at the KD, which stands for keyword difficulty. This shows how challenging it will be to rank for that keyword. Set a KD limit between 0 and 40 for easier ranking. Click apply, and here's a list of keywords within that range. Lesser the keyword difficulty percentage, greater the chance to rank high. Next, let's check out the domain overview. Enter a competitor's domain. I use a random example. This will show you the keywords driving traffic to their site. You can leverage these keywords to create blogs and boost your own traffic. Now let's move to traffic analytics. Here you can see how much traffic specific keywords generate. This insight helps you understand which keywords can work best for your website. Finally, let's set up position tracking. Enter your company's domain and click Setup Tracking. Choose your target country. I'm selecting the US. Then, import keywords. I'm going with SEMrush suggestions and limiting it to 10. Make sure to select the email notification option so you're updated whenever your rankings change on Google. Hit start tracking, and here's the mail I got from SEMrush after completing the tracking of my website. These are some key SEMrush tools that can significantly improve your website's ranking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.